Check out the 2005 Chevy Silverado 2500HD. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, CD changer, power passenger seat, 4-wheel drive, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries.